Sunday FundDay, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio. As you can see, at the end of May, we are currently only down $317.38, which is a huge improvement from last month. As far as the deposits for May, we have only deposited $100 into the account because Webull is doing a giveaway to where if you deposit at least $100 and complete a couple other tasks and refer somebody, you get in a drawing for 1 share of Google stock. So hopefully someone will join with using the link down in the description below. All you have to do is open an account and deposit your $100 into your account, and then you'll be awarded 2 free stocks for doing that. And then I'll get a raffle ticket for the opportunity to win 1 raffle ticket for a share of Google stock. If you're interested in signing up for 2 free stocks, make sure you click the link in the description below. Open your free account. You get 1 free stock for that, and then deposit $100. And you get another free stock for that. As far as the purchases for the month, we had a little under $10 left to spend in our account from April, so we ended up buying 3 shares of OXLC for $3.27 a piece, and that ended up lowering our cost basis on that stock down to $5.17. We received a bunch of dividends this month. As you can see, for the month of May, we received a total of $24.95, which is absolutely amazing that we've already been able to receive that many dividends. As you can see from the first month, we went from $1.49, pretty much doubled it the next month, then we tripled it, then we went up a little bit, and then we doubled it again. So it's getting me pretty excited to see what we're going to end up with June. We do have a few companies who quit paying dividends due to the current situation. Foot Locker has decided they're going to stop paying the dividend. I believe EPR is going to possibly stop paying, and this one up here is going to stop paying to the OXLC. They said that they were going to reevaluate in June to see if they're going to continue to pay, but they may stop paying the dividend. But we did purchase some shares of some stocks with our dividend money. We did buy 2 shares of Ford because our goal for the year was supposed to be to buy Ford stock because they used to pay a 60-cent dividend. But I decided to stick with it even though they decided to cut the dividend. So I am still buying Ford stock. About partway through May, our shares of Ford actually became profitable. So I don't really want to raise the cost basis of Ford. But as you can see, we are up $2.15 on Ford. So I decided I would find another fund that I could put my money in. And I decided to pick a monthly paying dividend stock, which is this QYLD. So I spent the other $20.55 on 1 share of that. And that company will actually pay us, right now it's paying a dividend of 19 cents every month. So we added 1 more share of that. So altogether, we have 8 shares, and it's going to pay us about $1.53 every month. So that's pretty exciting. And so far, just from that 1 stock, we've received $4.08. And we've only got about $180 in there. So the part I like is that we started out with just change sitting in the bank, making next to nothing, and we've already made $4.08 with that money. And then we used our dividend money. So every time we get enough money, we're going to buy either this QYLD or we're going to buy Ford stock, whichever one is still in the red, which if I had to guess, this one's going to be in the red for longer. So if we only got under $5, hopefully we'll be able to buy some Ford, and if we got over $20, we can buy some QYLD. So it's pretty neat that we've only got a little over $3,000 in here, and we are making enough dividends to purchase stocks still. So that's pretty exciting. And then I've got this little calendar right here where you can see all the dividends for the month that we've received are in green. The ones that we have missed the dividend payments are in red, and these are before we own the stock. So as you can see, there's quite a few dividends still coming up next month, and this is the month in which they pay. So as we receive the dividends, I'll mark them off. Hopefully all of these ones will continue to pay, as these are all monthly payers. And then we have this little dividend tracker for the month that has a line graph that shows you how many dividends we've made each month. So it's getting up there quite a bit, and it'll be exciting to see how high it is in June. And the reason we've only deposited $100 into the Webull account is because we decided to fund our IRA and our HSA due to tax benefits through those accounts. So if you're interested in hearing about the Roth IRAs and the health savings accounts that I've set up, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll try to get a video up about each one of those shortly here. And then I'm also going to show you a growth portfolio that we've put together. Thanks for watching.